Assalamu alaikum class 1. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. This is our first science lesson, first video lesson for science. So open your books. Page number is page number is 2. Page number 2. The unit is whole about our body parts. The name of the unit is the human body. The name of the unit is the human body. In this unit we are going to learn about names of some body parts and their function. What do they do for us? Okay, let's see how many body parts are there in our face. Can we count them? Like we have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 lips, nose, chin, cheeks. All of these are body parts of our face. So count them, how many they become. 2 sets of arms, mouth. So these are, so like on face, let's count. We have like 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 lips, 2 cheeks, a chin, a nose, a mouth. So there are more than 10 or 11 body parts on our face only. Now let's move on to our lower body. We have limbs. What are limbs? Limbs are like arm, finger, thumb, shoulder, your legs, knees, toes, feet. All of these are your limbs. Now there are other body parts also which we can see on our body, like chest and stomach. All of these are body parts which we can see with our eyes. Now let's see if you can count them all together. Can you tell me? Okay, I will ask in the next online class. Now do another thing. Count the body parts in you, in your sibling and in your parents. Are they same? Do they have same body parts? Is there any less body part or more body part? Do we have same body parts? Can you count them? Okay, I will ask the answer in the next online class again. Now let's read which body parts are mentioned here. By starting our reading, when you look in a mirror, you see your body parts. Yes, when we look in a mirror, we see our reflection which shows our body. Your body is made up of many parts. Yes, we have read that our body is made up of many parts. Each part of your body has a name. Yes, again, each part of our body has its own name. Eye, this one is eye, ear, nose, mouth, chin. Lower body पे chest, arm, stomach, thumb, fingers, knee, toe. Now on the back of your head you have hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg. All of these are your body parts. Like I am repeating again, limbs like arms, fingers, elbow, hand, feet, knee, toe, thumb. All of these are your limbs, and there are so many body parts on our body. Now each body part has its own work to do. For example, eyes help us to see, like you are seeing the video right now. Ears help us to hear things, like you are hearing my voice right now. Nose help us to smell things. Mouth help us to speak, chew. So all of the body parts have their own work to do. They help us in many ways. Let's move on to page number 3. Each part has a job to do. Yes, each part has a job to do. We use our mouth to eat and speak. Yes, we use our mouth to eat and speak. As the girl is eating ice cream, she is using her mouth to eat and her hands to hold the ice cream. So the work of hands is to hold the different things. We use hands to hold things. Like the boy is painting, so he's holding brush in his hand. Like I am holding mobile right now in my hands. So that is called holding things with your hands. We use our feet to run, walk or move. When we move, when we stand, we use our feet, and when we run, we use our feet. So that is how the feet help us. So that is about the lesson which is on page number 2 and page number 3. We have done the reading from here to here. Now let's move on to exercise which is related to the reading. So I have opened page number 7. Page number 7. Question number is 4. Question is, look at the pictures below, circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. They have given us some pictures and each picture is showing a different action. You have to tell me which body part is being used in this picture. Like for example, in the first picture, the boy is typing on laptop. So tell me, is he using his ears or hands for typing? Yes, he is using his hands, so we will circle hands. In the next picture, the boy is listening music with his eyes or ears. He is listening something like he has a headphone on his ears. So tell me, is he listening with his eyes or ears? Yes, he is listening with his ears. Now the third person is looking with a telescope. So is he seeing with his eyes or ears? Yes, we see things from our eyes, so we will circle eyes. Now in the next picture, the girl is smelling something. So tell me, she is smelling something from her mouth or nose? The next person is sitting on his knees. So tell me, which part of the body is being used here, nose or knees? Okay, that person is doing an exercise. So what body part is he using in the exercise, head or legs? In the last picture, the girl is eating. So which body part is going to be used, ears or mouth? These 4 pictures are for you to do in your homework. Okay, I am assigning these pictures as your homework to complete them. So class 1, your homework is to read page number 1 and 2 and do page number 7, question number 4 remaining on book. You will do the question number 4 remaining pictures on the book, and you will do the reading of page number 1 and 2 from here to here. Also try to learn the as many body parts as you can. So I will ask them in the next online class, and practice reading also. I will listen to it also and count them. Your assignment is to count the body parts and tell me how many body parts can you count, and were there any different number of body parts in your body and your mother's or your father's or your siblings. So that is your home task. I hope you have understood the lesson. If there is any confusion, ask me on a classroom app and I will answer it there. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.